Let's talk Starbucks now. Rallying on the back of its earnings, one of our investment committee members actually just bought the stock, which has been in the penalty box big time. Stephanie Link joining us, I think on the podcast. Yeah, there you are. Hey, Steph. So why'd you jump in to Starbucks here?
Because I think it's really exciting here right now. I think you're at an inflection point. The stock is down 35% from July 21 highs, and I thought the quarter was actually really pretty good. You got to give Kevin Johnson, the former CEO, the credit, but Howard Schultz now can take that and run with it in terms of building momentum. The comps in the U.S. at 12% were super impressive, much better than expected, and that just speaks to the demand, right? And that speaks to that people want their products and still want their products. In China, not so much, down 23%. But we know China is actually going to reopen at some point. And then you have two things that I think are sort of interesting. They eliminated the buyback, the $20 billion buyback that they put in place. And now they have cash and money to actually invest in products, in people, in stores. And they're starting to do that. And I think they've got to do something in food, and I think they will. And then you have a catalyst. You have the Analyst Day in September, where I think that Howard Schultz will do a very good job in talking about how there's a lot of upside and opportunity for the company.
Just thinking about, like, prospects of a slowing economy. You mentioned China, right? Of course, China's going to reopen. We don't know when. And we don't know to what degree their economy is going to slow either. And then you have the union issue. It's just like a lot in front of Howard Schultz, who's interim, by the way, to deal with.
Yep. But he's going to stay on the board, right? So even when they hire somebody new, that he'll still be involved very much. And the stock is down, as I mentioned, 35% from July 2021. That's a lot. A lot of bad news is in this stock. At 23 times forward estimates, the stock is at the low end of its historical range. So I started with a small position, and I'm just going to continue to add, because I do believe in their brand power, and I believe in Howard Schultz.